Greetings everyone, I'm Stephen Las Marias, editor of EETimes Asia, EETimes India, and EDN Asia. With me today is Kiyofumi Uemura, Area Vice President for Asia Pacific at IAR Systems. Kiyo, thank you very much for being with us today.
Good morning, Stefan, and good morning, everyone. Thank you for this opportunity for today.
So first things first, Kiyo, can you please tell us more about IAR?
Right. On IAR Systems, we are the expertise at the embedded system market, and we provide the embedded system development tools and also the embedded security solutions. The company was founded in 1983, so a bit more than 40 years. Headquarters based in Sweden. We believe that we are the first commercial compiler provider in the market. We released the 8-bit compiler to the market in 1986. Since then, we are really expertise on this market, in the market segment. We've been doing the business globally, and then 1/3 of the revenue comes from the North America, another 1/3 from EMEA, and another 1/3 from the Asia Pacific. We have more than 13 offices globally, and the number of the employees around 240 globally. Currently, and as I said, we have two different pillars, embedded tools and embedded security. So we have acquired the company called Secure Things in 2018. Since then, we've been providing the security solution to our existing customers and also the new customers and an embedded market segment. So that is the high-level picture of the IAR Systems.
Okay, so tell us more about your role in the company.
Yes, so my role is that to connect with the customers and partners in Asia Pacific, including the Taiwan, Korea, Japan, China, and Singapore, Australia, and all those South Asian countries. So to communicate with customers, by the way, our customer is the software engineer at any embedded system products in the market. And then we provide the tools to them, and then we provide the good TCO, the total cost ownership. Not only about the tools, but also for the entire cost perspective. So we are really trying to help the customers in these regions.
Kiyo, from your observations, what are the key pain points or challenges of your customers?
Very good point. So as I mentioned that the TCO. So our customer want to reduce the development times and reduce the cost, and then reduce their resources, time, and so on. But I provide the tool itself, and the tool itself is not really expensive. But our tool makes our customers, the software, make it really small, and to run it really fast speed, and also the very high quality. So it really connecting to not only the development stage, but also the mass production stage. What I mean by that is that if customer can make their code smaller, and then they can make the use of a bit smaller memory size of the device, and which will save a lot of money for the customers. So that is what I mean by the TCO, by using the good tools from us.
Right. So what makes your solutions unique in the market?
A good question, very good question. More than 90% of revenue for the IAR system comes from the ARM devices, the ARM core devices, mainly for the MCU, up to 32-bit, but some of them 64-bit. As I can see the market trend, so ARM is kind of dominating the market, but new trend, RISC-V coming in to the market. And then quite many companies, customers are looking to it, and then some of them they have already started to development, especially in Taiwan, China. There are so many local SoC and MCU companies, and then they have already started to develop their product, who already have the ARM core devices, but some of them, they move to the RISC-V devices. Yeah. And as IAR Systems, we provide both ARM and also RISC-V core. So by using the same ID, same tools, that they can develop the different device based on the different cores. So that is the one part. Yeah. And then another part is about security. So many countries, they started to implement legislation. So sooner or later in the market, most of all embedded system product which is connected to the internet network need to have some kind of a security protection. So that means that most of all of our customers from IAR Systems, they need to do something on the security. Yeah. Then that we do have a solution for that. So that is our uniqueness.
Right. So Kiyo, what opportunities are you seeing in the Asian market, or in particular the ASEAN market, Southeast Asia?
Very good question. So in the ASEAN market, it used to be very the famous or popular for the fab or mass production, the manufacturing. But I can see that quite many companies started to do the software development locally. So that is one of the reasons why we have established a new distributor in Vietnam.
Okay.
Yep. So we do have our own office, the Taiwan, Korea, China, Japan. We do have a distributor in Australia and Singapore, and then this year we started to have a new distributor in Vietnam, where it's very popular that they do the local software development.
All right. Can you tell us about the market sectors that you're seeing strong growth?
Very good. So if I get this question 5 or 10 years ago, I would say that industrial automations or telecom, medical, and then I didn't talk about automotive. But roughly 20% of the IAR revenue comes from the automotive market right now. And then this is really growing, especially in China and Taiwan. And then, of course, Korea, Japan, they also have the OEMs and then certain the business from automotive. But automotive is very hot, electronic vehicles. So from our point of view, the semiconductor company who provide the device to the automotive, and also the tier one, and sometimes OEM themselves, they are a very good customer of ours.
Definitely in the automotive sector, security is also one key aspect, critical issue, right?
Exactly, right. So from automotive, perhaps you might seen it that some of the vehicle has been hacked,
yes.
And no control to drive. So that is the last things that the driver want to see. So yes, the security is a very hot topic in the automotive market.
All right, Kiyo, what is your outlook for the semiconductor electronics industry over the next year?
Very good. So the semiconductor market, the up and down in like a sequence cycle, that's will continue, I think. But from IAR point of view, the design win to the new project, a new opportunity, that is the key point for IAR Systems. So as I explained, that more and more countries in Southeast Asia will start to do their own local software development.
Yeah. Okay.
So I'm really positive. Positive about it.
All right. So what can we expect next from IAR Systems? What development or technology trends should we look out for the company?
Very good. So we have the keywords called the 5S. Size, speed, safety, security, and support. So these are something we are very good at that. So the code and size, that is something that we are very good from the embedded development tools point of view, to make the customer's code small and to run it fast. And then safety, for the automotive customer, the industrial network automation customers, we provide the safety solution. For example, like ISO 26262, IEC 61508. So those kind of the certified tools we provided to the customers. And then lastly, that we do have a local office and a local distributor who has a very strong competence about the technical support. So which makes our customers to use our tools easier and to make their development times faster and to make their code very with high quality. So that is what we are doing it, and then we will do that more to help our customers locally.
Okay. Kiyo, I'm almost done with my questions. Do you have any final comments or message?
Yes. So as IAR Systems, we've been doing the business for more than 40 years, and then we are very, very committed to the market and the customers. So anything that we can help you, and we are very happy to communicate with you and to find a good solution together. So if you have any interest, by seeing this video, please contact us anytime.
Okay, great. That's Kiyofumi Uemura from IAR Systems. I'm Stephen Las Marias. Thank you very much for watching.